We were discussing about the atomic mass. In an atom, atomic particles are proton, neutron, and electron. Proton and electron. Mm, in atom, proton, neutron, and electron are fundamental particles, atomic subparticle, and mass of one proton is 1 AMU. Mass of one neutron is 1.001 AMU. But mass of electron is 0.01 AMU. Atomic mass unit. But if we compare these three, proton and neutron has higher masses and electron has very negligible, very small mass. Therefore, in an atom, atomic mass is considered only the mass of proton and mass of neutron. Mass of proton and mass of neutron. Yes. Atomic mass is mass of proton, mass of neutron, mass of proton and mass of neutron. That is now atomic mass. This is atomic mass. Atomic mass. Okay. Electron is neglected because its mass is very small. Okay. Then
Sir.
hello, yes. This is proton. Proton mass is big. Proton.
Yes.
Electron mass is very small. What is a, look here, what is a neutron anyways? Okay, its mass is 1.001 AMU. Then look, think of a neutron
As
a proton and electron is stored together. Look here.
Together.
Yes. This big one is electron. Sorry, big one is neutron, and a small dot. Can you see small dot here?
Yes.
Why does
Sir.
yes? This is electron. Size of neutron and size of proton and size of neutron proton. Yes, this can be proton or neutron, and this small is electron. Electron is this much small in proton and neutron. Therefore, this is neglected. It is not added, okay, in the mass of atom. Electrons reside outside the nucleus. Around the nucleus, electrons move around, making a cloud. This circular part here is this red and blue ball. This part is yes. This part is nucleus and white outer part is this is electron, and electrons are moving around the nucleus making circular orbit. This is one orbit, circular orbit, yes, and another orbit. This is your circular orbit. You can see here. And another is this one, circular orbit. Around nucleus, around nucleus, electrons revolve in circular orbit. Look, this is nucleus. In nucleus, there are two protons and two neutrons. Two protons, two neutrons. Around protons, this is nucleus. Around nucleus, here is one orbit. In first orbit, two electrons can stay. Only two. In first orbit, only two electrons can stay. If more electrons are present there, they go outside. Here. Second orbit. In second orbit, total 8 electrons can stay. That is the rule of the atomic structure pattern. First orbit, only 2 electrons. Second orbit, up to 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6,
Eight electrons.
7, 8.
If yes, if there are more than these, then that electrons go outside. First, up to 2 electrons remain. Second orbit, up to 8 electrons remain. Then others electrons go outside. Electrons revolve around the orbit, and neutron and proton combinedly called nucleus. Nucleus. Atomic mass unit. I have already discussed this. Because the masses of atoms and subatomic particles are so, subatomic particles means proton, neutron, electrons. They are very small, and to, to a convenient unit, that is atomic mass unit, AMU. Look, 1 AMU means smaller than 24 times smaller. 24 times smaller than how much? One 16,605 gram. Much small. Atomic mass unit. And approximately one proton and neutron has 1 AMU. 1 AMU. Proton has, I have already told you, proton has 1 AMU, and neutron has 1.001 A, AMU. Point zero zero point zero zero one. It is neglected, and it is said only one. Okay, therefore nearly one. 1 AMU. Therefore, one proton, 1 AMU. One neutron, 1 AMU. Two protons, 2 AMU. Two neutrons, 2 AMU. Therefore, mass of, look here, mass of proton is, therefore, number of protons and number of neutrons. Number of protons and number of neutrons. Number of protons and number of neutrons. Because one proton has 1 AMU, two protons has 2 AMU. Therefore, number is sufficient. Okay. Mass of electron is very negligible, 0.0005 AMU, very small. Therefore, this is neglected. No,
Hazır.
this is
Sayra vere.
neglected, not added. Okay.
İh.
Look here is one shortcut chart. Shortcut chart. Electron, proton, these are three subatomic particles. Electron sign, symbol, E minus, proton symbol, P plus, neutron symbol, N. This zero, plus and minus. These are the charges. Negatively charged is electron, positively charged proton and neutron. Where they stay, electrons revolve around the orbit. That orbit is electron around the nucleus. That orbit, circular
Electrons.
orbit is electron cloud. Proton remains in nucleus. Neutron also remains in nucleus. Charges are minus. Electron has negative charge minus sign. Proton has positive charge plus sign, and neutron has no charge, zero. Mass, relative mass. Electron has, look here, 1 AMU is divided by 1840, and that comes 0.0005. And proton has 1 AMU mass, neutron has 1 AMU mass. Okay, the sum of total of the number of protons and electrons. Yes, electron is not added. Why? Because mass is very negligible, 0.0005 AMU. That is very negligible than 1 AMU. Therefore, in atomic mass, electron is not added. Proton and neutron uh, are added. Okay, students. Uh, for today, this much, students. In next class, we'll discuss in detail about electronic configuration of first 20 elements from hydrogen to calcium. From hydrogen to calcium, we will discuss. For you, homework is turn over on page number 88 in your textbook. Page number 88 in your textbook. There is one table. In elements name and symbols are given, and you have to memorize this serially from hydrogen up to calcium, and you need to memorize uh, neutron number also, but now for now not necessary. Only memorize uh, elements name and symbols and atomic number. That means serial number. In 1 number hydrogen, in 15 number phosphorus, in 17 chlorine, potassium 19, calcium 20, neon 10, oxygen 8, like this. By the number, you must know the atomic element's name. Okay. Okay, thank you class. For today, this much. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.